Greetings. In this video I want to show you how to clean the inside of a Keurig coffee maker, and you could use this with Keurig brands or any other brand. This particular one is a Mr. Coffee, which I've loved this brand. It's been so awesome. I've had it for 4 years and it's super simple to use. The only thing you're going to need is filtered water and vinegar. I have apple cider vinegar, but regular white vinegar will work as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a 2-part solution, and it's going to be 50-50 equal. So half vinegar, and this is the solution you want to make. Half filtered water, or spring water will work. Fill it to the level. Then we want to run this cycle twice. It's super important. Keurig recommends that you clean it out and you do this at least once every 3 months. I do mine about every week. It's good to clean out, and vinegar is a natural way of killing bacteria and removing calcium and minerals throughout your machine. Now once this is done, you're going to pour this out and then pour you some new solution into the machine and run it through again. If for some reason you don't have vinegar, you can use lemon juice, or if you could put like a half lemon juice, half vinegar solution, 50% and then 50% water, you can do that as well. Lemon juice is also an antibacterial liquid, all natural and healthy. Alright, now that we have that done, you're going to go ahead and run filtered water to clean out all the vinegar or lemon taste. And you might want to do this more than once. You might want to do it twice to make sure you get off the vinegar so you don't have that vinegar tasting. Some people will make a soap water solution with water to clean it out. I don't like that idea. I think I like more of an all-natural solution like vinegar and lemon juice. Plus I don't like the idea of just tasting dishwashing soap in my coffee. I don't like that idea. So I would not recommend that. As you can see here, I'm running straight filtered water through here, and there's still like a little yellow tint. That's basically the apple cider vinegar that's still on the components inside. So I'll probably run it through one more time. I would highly recommend this brand, Mr. Coffee. I noticed with the Keurig machines that are made by Keurig that they make them so complicated. Different sections and buttons. It's almost like that they make it too complicated, so you'll have to buy another one, or maybe because they don't want a competitor to come in, which of course they have. And I just think it's ridiculous. I think the simpler the better. There's not like some kind of special compartment with a water filter. You don't need a water filter on your machine. You can filter your own water. It doesn't have all these buttons that shows 8 ounces or 10 ounces, and then you have to clean every little individual department. It just makes it a mess. So that's why I enjoy like the Mr. Coffee. This is my ride or die, man. I love Mr. Coffee. Thanks for watching my video, and make sure you subscribe. Have a good day.